Hello investment students. I just want to give you a couple of tips for your Chapter 10 problems. So to find the true annualized rate of return, we can use the rate function in Excel. So if I go to Financial Functions and click on Rate, number of periods, let's say that I buy Disney and I hold it for 2 years. So 2-year holding period, and let's say that I buy Disney for $96 a share, 96 out of my pocket. That's why I put it in as a negative. And 2 years later I sell it for $126. Click OK, and voila, it gives me my true annualized return of 14.56. If I calculate just an average return and not the true annualized rate of return, I would have purchased the stock for $96. After 1 year it went to $106, so I had a $10 gain divided by the $96 price would give me a 10.4% return. And then in the second year it went from 106 to 126, which was a $20 gain divided by the starting price of 106 in beginning of year 2, gives me a rate of return of 18.86. If I average those two annual rates of return, I would get 14.63, which actually overstates the true rate of return. For problem 3 of chapter 10, you're going to have a number of returns. Here's a sample using different numbers. Let's say I have an investment that returns 5% in year 1, 22% in year 2, a negative return of 6% in year 3, and a negative return of 12% in year 4, and then year 5 I have a 6% positive rate of return. To calculate the true rate of return, what I would do is I would multiply the returns by each other. So if we take 1.05 times 1.22, and then for the negative return just subtract that from 1, so you would have 0.94. The negative 12 would be 0.88, and then your 6% would be 1.06. We're going to take that to 1 divided by 5 power, and that would be 0.2. And so if I take that to the 0.2 power and then subtract that 1 representing 100%, I would come to 2.35% true rate of return. And again, the way that we came up with this 0.2 power, it was to take 1 divided by the number of returns that we are averaging. So 1 divided by 5 is equivalent of 2/10, and so that's why we take it to the 2/10 power.